and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name's Zoe and I hate banana bread. Never liked it, never will. Banana bars, on the other hand, ooh, they be good. I love banana bars, and this recipe from my childhood I made vegan just for you. Vegan banana bars. Let's get into it. Let's start off with 2 large bowls. In the first one, add flour, baking powder, and baking soda. Add a tiny bit of salt and give it a mix. In the other bowl goes softened vegan butter and sugar. I usually let it sit on the counter for a couple minutes so the butter softens up. Use a hand mixer to cream the butter and sugar into a cohesive mixture. If you don't have a hand mixer, have no fear. You can use a fork or spatula to mix it by hand, but it's going to be a lot harder. Now add in vanilla extract and blend that into the butter before moving on to the star of the show, bananas. 4 big ol' ripe bananas. Plop those bad boys into the bowl and give them a good mash, then begin to blend them into the butter. Once our sugared banana butter is nice and creamy, pour in the flour. Do not use the hand mixer yet, trust me on this one. Instead, let's spoon the banana mixture over the flour and incorporate them by hand. Once the majority of flour has been wetted and stirred in, then you can finish with the hand mixer. Time for baking. Grab a medium-sized greased baking pan. I don't know the exact dimensions of my dish. My guess is about 13 by 9 inches. The mix should be about 1.5 to 2 inches deep. Plop that into a 350-degree oven and bake for 25 to 35 minutes. It'll take more or less time to fully bake depending on how deep your pan is. Once you reach the 25-minute mark, do a toothpick poke test every 5 minutes until it comes out clean. Mine usually needs a solid 30 minutes. Remove the banana bars from the oven. You can call it done if you wish, but I got one more thing I just have to add. Powdered sugar. Go ahead and sprinkle some of that on top once it's cooled. Believe me, it is worth it. Our banana bars are now cool to the touch, so cut them into, well, bars, and let's plate this dish. Now I choose banana bread, and you can have this. I love these. These are so moist and delicious, and there's a lot of really good sweetness both from the sugar and of course our bananas. Well, that does it for today. Let me know what banana recipes you want to see down in the comments. Like and subscribe so you don't miss any future dishes. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
It's the star of the show, it's banana.